Focus your eye on the picture, scrapbooker, and get some paper and glue, scrapbooker, and get some embellishments too, scrapbooker. And now it's time for that lady who loves to use paper and embellishments. The one who is so nice, Terry Rice.
Yay, let's hear it from my MC. And that's really true. I've loved paper ever since I was a little kid. And stickers. Okay, I have Foster Lane here. And this was, like, she was born the night before. So this is like pretty much day one, I would say. But, so anyhow, I would have scrapbooked them sooner, but I kept wishing that her dad's sign that says all phase would just vanish, but it hasn't yet, so I'm just gonna scrapbook them. So it's Foster and Daddy. Okay, so I am using Mintay Little One, and I know I have scrapbooked her on this paper, or not this particular paper, but one of the papers. And this is what it looks like on the back, like a blanket. Okay, and it's got, you know, it's pretty much embellished. So our sketch artist today is Melinda Barkman, and she's got a title rundown on the side. She's got hexagons. She's got some little wavy things here. She's got a beehive and some flowers and the hexagon, or like the honeycomb. Another bee. She's got a picture down here in the right corner, and she's got a picture up here at the top. So, what does it say underneath there? Oh, it says a border. Okay, and I'm doing that too. So, mine is going to be laid out the same. Of course, I'm not going to have these embellishments and things, but I do have a busy paper, so I'm thinking it's looking quite a bit like it. I am not going to have a title here. I'm actually going to use this banner that I kept from the Fussy Cut page. Or nope, this is actually one of the die cuts. And so I've just wrote Foster Lane on it. So I've got her name there. And I think this might be the page I put her stats on, you know, what time she was born, how long she was, how much she weighed, stuff like that. Unless I do it with the very first picture that we got of her. I haven't decided yet. So I am going to be laying them out exactly the same, except for my vertical picture is going to be bigger just because I'd already had them printed, so I'm just going to go with that. I mean, I like a big picture, and since I have it, I'm just going to use it. So I do like, you know, having small ones for different things, you know, so that you get more variety of design in your scrapbooking. Okay, and I'm going to put this up in here, and then I've got this one here. So I like this little plaid paper, you know, gingham papers. And what's on the back? Okay, oh my gosh, it's that beautiful floral. Oh well. Okay, so, I mean, I love that too. It's just, their stuff is so pretty. Looks like, oh, it's actually like a vine. Okay. No, I just have to look at it one more time before I glue it down. Okay, so I almost feel wrong taping over it. Some of the florals I just need to buy an extra one, especially when you've got a gingham on it. Okay, I am going to try to line them up with those little dots. And I wonder if that's enough room, because I'm going to put this over here. And I might want to pull it down just a little bit. Let's see. Since this is her first official full day, I do want the stork here. Okay, let's see. It looks like it should be lined up perfectly, but it's not. Okay, let's see if I can just tilt it a little bit to get it. Okay. And then I'm going to put this down here, and I'm going to tilt it just like she has it. So I wonder if the last time I used this, if I used the gingham side or the floral side. Okay, I think I'm going to bring it over here just a little bit more. Now I'm covering up a little elephant here and a little elephant here, and I'm going to bring those back shortly. Okay, so I've got this little elephant here, and I've already got some dimensionals on them. Thought I was rid of that, but I guess not. Okay. I think I'm going to put a little bit of glue too, especially since his snout is kind of separated. I don't want it to get torn off later, because you know how fast I get these into the albums, like not. Okay, so I'm just gonna put him right, I'm lining him up with the other one. You know, back in the day, they would have like images, like multiple images, and they would layer them to make dimensional pictures. I remember having some from some old ones, and it's like, it's kind of like doing that. I like that look. Okay, and so I've got this guy here, so I'm gonna go right over it. Oh, and I still got that little, they're like staticky. Okay, so I've got that there. And now in these places, it's good to make them a little dimensional, just because the picture is up and I've got it 3 layers. So putting that there just lifts them up to the right layer. Okay, and then I've got the little stork, and now his leg is so skinny, I couldn't put any on his legs. So, but I do have it on his foot, and hopefully that's enough to keep it looking good in the album. And if we put them up upright, like, you know, we're told to, that should be helpful. And I figured right across this chair rail here, I could write her stats if I put it on this page. And if I don't put them there, it won't matter. I mean, it's like it still feels like it's filled in, just in case I use the other picture to put those on. Okay, and I'm just lining it up. I just love that look. Okay, and then I've got Foster Lane here. Now I did not put dimensionals here, just because I'm going to put it up there. And do I want dimensionals underneath it? Maybe a couple down here of the smaller ones. I'm going to put a couple here and just see how that works on there. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. So I'm going to put more there. Let's see how that works. And I think I need them on the very ends too. Make sure I don't have them off the edge. Okay, I think that should work real good. And I think it could have one right in the middle. Okay, that's good there. So how many of you are doing 30 days of sketches, and are you trying to do every day, or are you just doing the ones that you feel like, yeah, this is what I want to do, or are you just, or did you print them out just to save them for later? Because I know we all have stuff going on. I mean, last month was crazy. We had so many birthdays last month that they were still throwing parties this month. So that's a lot of days of birthdays. Okay, I think that's perfect right there. Okay, and then I have this little outfit, like baby outfit. So I decided I wanted to use that over here because I have embellishments here, and then since I have this going all the way over to here, there's just these balloons and they're pretty transparent. So I thought it'd be nice to put a little embellishment over here. And I thought this was so cute. Okay, and I've got a couple little stars, like they're sleeping stars, because they got their eyes closed. Okay. And I thought that'd be cute because she's sleeping. And then I have one I'm going to put here. Let me get that out of the way. Oh, knocking over stuff that I should have put away. I thought I put a bunch of stuff away today, but it wasn't enough. Okay, and I've got that there. And what did I do with those enamel dots that I have? Oh, and these enamel dots right here, they look just like they match the flowers perfectly. So I'm going to use those. Kind of a pinky corals. I didn't say enamel dots, did I?
Twice.
Oh, no. No, I didn't. Okay, so I think I'm going to put I'm going to put one here if I can let it go. Maybe one up in here. And I'm going to put a little tiny one down here too. Okay, and I'm going to put one over here. And where else? I do like to see like a couple of them together. Okay, and I think over here, whoops. Okay, I think that's it. So that was pretty easy, but you know, it still takes me a while. All right, so remember, there is a link that takes you over to the YouTube creators, And then there's one that takes you to the still shots, and most of us tried to get them over there, I think. And I always try to every morning. Yesterday I had a hard time finding the one that it's like, I don't know whether it disappeared and they had to reload it or what. But I finally got it back, or got it loaded. And yeah, it's fun to go over there and look. And then I look at everybody's. That's what I was looking at them, all of them on Facebook today, and I was on there forever. So, well, I will have close-ups at the end. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.